In April, my lawyer gave out a statement on my behalf in which it was made very clear that no such interview has been given by me to any magazine, vernacular or otherwise. Yes, please. I do not know about this non-disclosure agreement. I am just a volunteer of Nityananda Dhyanapitham and I have been working over there. I do not have any other idea about this. I came to know about it only through the media. I haven't. So I don't know where, since I have not seen, I cannot comment on the document personally. See, in Dhyanapitham, they hold multiple programs, meditation, yoga, and they also do several social outreach programs, which was my primary interest. I have been associated with a number of voluntary organizations in Chennai, and I worked with organizations who have helped women with mental illness and women of victims of domestic violence, burns victims, AIDS victims. So this is not the first organization in which I have volunteered. For me, it was a spiritual path, plus the social outreach programs which they've been doing, which impressed me. No. All these things, all these words I've been hearing only from the media, like I've been hearing some wonderful stories about myself. Like the interview this gentleman referred to me, I was in Philadelphia at the time the so-called interview was supposed to have taken place. Yes. Yes. See, in a way I blame myself because it was my public personality that has been misused. If it was an XYZ woman, I'm sure all of us would have respected her privacy to a great deal. From the beginning, I was feeling maybe I shouldn't have volunteered at the Dhyanapitham because of what has followed. Like I've said in my complaint, extortion was much a smaller picture. As for the larger picture, there was a Christian missionary involved in this. And this has been told by Lenin himself. It is not a concoction. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yes. People who've been helping him, people have been working on this with him. Yes. I would like to name them, but I'd still like to live for some more years if you don't mind. Not in the complaint. Not in the complaint because, like I said, I would like to still live. I have given a complaint. I'm not talking only to the media now. I have registered a complaint against Mr. Lenin, and it took me some time to take the courage, I agree. But I've decided I'm tired of being hounded, being bullied, being threatened and frightened for something that I'm not even responsible for. If someone has a problem with an ex-person or with Swami Nityananda or Nityananda Dhyanapitham, do not hide behind a woman's skirts. Have the guts to stand up to him. Do not pull me and my family and my husband into this. I'm very sorry to say. I cannot speak for the other persons. I can only speak what I have been through, which is what I'm sharing. What is their exact plan? Who was the exact target? You will have to ask them. Yes. I was a public See, the phone call I got on March 2nd night said I was the public personality who was publicly associated with him. I have been going to his public programs and they just decided to use me. These were the exact terms. I seriously, honestly wish I had recorded that. They said those images supposed to look like mine. Isn't that what they claim? Isn't that what the whole media has been gung-hoing about? That's what I said. I don't know. I cannot go by what they say. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear your question. Can you just come a bit closer? I'm not going to comment on those investigations. I'm sorry. Please ask me anything that is related to the complaint or to what I've been through the last 8 months. As for that case, I cannot comment. I don't know what can people have against me. What do they have? How am I supposed to do anything against anybody? Why would... I don't know where I'm in this whole game. I'm still baffled by this. Pardon? I do not understand your question because I do not understand the word maintain, especially when I have said that the interview has been completely fabricated and I will be pursuing legal actions now. Yes, I have already said I am his disciple. Yes. Okay. If time permits and if they are open to it, even Nityananda Dhyanapitham has been through a lot of things. So they should be also open to welcoming me there. Then yes.